in just single click 4-side elevation just from floor plan. In just one time, multi-floor elevation 4-side. In this video, I will show you how to make 4-side elevation, multi-floor elevation, all 4-side in one time. We will make this floor plan 4-side elevation in just one time, okay? Accurate, perfect elevation. For that, let this here YQPRIME plugin in AutoCAD, okay? Quad elevation. We have added this powerful tool, quad elevation, okay? Ground floor only. These parameters, everything set. View gap 200. Draw 4 grid box, okay? 2:2 elevation. And select your front side and then left side and then right side and then rear side. Enter one time. After that, select your stair tower front side and take from left side, right side and rear side. Okay, and take it here. You are getting 4-side elevation in just one time. Accurate, detailed, with 100% precision. Must explore this YQPRIME powerful tool to make your automatic elevation. We are getting each and everything perfectly without any single error. We will take multi-floor elevation for 3 floor, okay? Type ELVX. So multi-stack floor, okay? Let this one rest everything same. Generate 2:2 elevation. Click over the text to get your ground floor level 1, height and selection, okay? So you have to select your front side, door, window projections, and in this case, door must be separate layer and window must be separate layer, otherwise it will not catch, okay? So just select accurately all side, front, left, rear, interval time, and now we will take interval time, and now we will take second and third. Now it will go 2 round, okay? Let this 2, height and select. So what you do, you have multiple floor elevation, multiple floor plan, that doesn't matter. Just go repeatedly, okay? Like this. Select your floor text and then input floor count and then take your selection and repeat the process. Once you complete, for example, we completed, right? Then enter 2 time, okay? So it will end the process. Completed, enter 2 time. And now select your stair tower. This is our stair tower, right? Front view, then left view, and then same as it is, right side view, and selection for rear side, okay? All set, just enter one time. And get here your 4-side multi-floor elevation. Click here in just one click. How you got this? This is not just about floor plan elevation, you can make section also. So there is no reason not to explore YQPRIME plugin. You will learn advanced automation tool. You will get plugin, future updates, upcoming online training course, and the great thing, you will learn how to make powerful plugin without any coding, without any programming experience, using powerful AI tool. Join one time, connect all time. I will personally guide you each and everything, okay? If you face any issue, I will help you personally. So must check out the link in the description and explore YQPRIME plugin today. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.